Hello, I am Silent Ledger. Not every threat turns into a global event. Some emerge quietly, some remain limited for years, even centuries, and wait for the right moment to return. The Nipah virus is one of these threats. The Nipah virus first emerged in 1998 in Malaysia. At the time, this did not seem like a historic beginning. It appeared to be a local outbreak, limited to rural pig farms. But within months, this sense of control collapsed. People became ill. Dozens lost their lives. Millions of animals were destroyed in an attempt to stop something no one could fully understand. The virus took its name from the place where it emerged, Sungai Nipah. But its true origin was elsewhere. Research later showed that pigs were not the original source. They were only a third party. The real threat was older, quieter, and impossible to control. Fruit bats. Bats carried the virus without showing symptoms. They spread it through saliva, urine, and partially eaten fruit. The virus moved without being tracked by the human eye, from trees to food, from animals to humans, without warning. In some cases, all it took for infection was the consumption of contaminated fruit or water. What makes Nipah especially dangerous is not only how it spreads, but how it ends. The virus targets the brain, encephalitis, respiratory failure, coma. The fatality rate can reach up to 70%. There is no approved vaccine. There is no definitive treatment. Medicine can only manage the symptoms and hope the body survives. And the Nipah virus never completely disappeared. It continued to reappear again and again across South Asia, India, Bangladesh, especially Kerala. Each time the outbreaks remained small enough to be contained, but the Nipah virus always continued to remind the world of its presence. If Nipah is returning to the agenda today, it is not because the virus has changed, but because the world has. Human settlements have been encroaching on the wild. For now, experts say that it is impossible for Nipah to turn into a global pandemic. Its spread is slower and takes longer. Outbreaks mostly remain local, but danger is not measured only by speed of spread. It is measured by lethality, unpredictability, and the level of preparedness. And in all three of these areas, Nipah continues to intimidate. There is something disturbing about a virus that does not rush. It does not collapse systems instantly, but its end is inevitable. It stays in the background and reveals itself only enough to be remembered. Nipah reminds us that not all threats arrive with countdowns. Some exist in cycles. Some remain quietly at the edge of human attention, and some depend entirely on whether we notice them before they notice us. History teaches us that the most dangerous systems are the ones we believe are under control. And sometimes the most dangerous viruses and the most ruthless ones are the silent ones that never truly leave.